I Can Count by Bobby Coleman. Here are some words to know. Ant, bird, butterfly, cat, caterpillar, dog, fish, horse, rabbit, snake. 1. I can count one dog. 2. I can count 2 caterpillars. 3. I can count 3 horses. 4. I can count 4 cats. 5. I can count 5 ants. 6. I can count 6 rabbits. 7. I can count 7 birds. 8. I can count 8 butterflies. 9. I can count 9 fish. 10. I can count 10 snakes.
'Be sure to like and subscribe to our channel by clicking the red subscribe button below.